guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing my version of a monochromatic pink makeup tutorial. I just kind of thought that my previous makeup tutorials have been very autumn and dark and grungy, so I just thought I would just give a bit of light to my channel and just do something pink, soft and spring-like, and just something very pretty. So I just wanted to work with a lot of pink tones today, different textures, shades, tones. Yeah, and this is what we came up with and I'm loving it. I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial as much as I did, and if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. It wouldn't be one of my tutorials if we didn't have 3 highlighting palettes to choose from and 3 eyeshadow palettes. I can never just stick with like one palette and just call it a tutorial. It always has to be like a number of palettes. And I also have like some single shadows from Colourpop as well. I don't actually know if I want to use the Carnival palette because it has too many dark pink tones in it, but I want this look to have more of like a subtle pink tone to it. So I have the Colourpop Ohh palette, and as you can see, these are kind of like the pink tones I'm kind of looking for. And then we have the EYN Brights palette by Beauty Bay, and we just have this like candy floss pink shimmer just up at the corner here, so I just kind of thought that might be a wee bit of a nice touch on the lid. So I'm just going to grab this wee palette by Colourpop. I'm going to take this shade Poodle first. I'm just going to take that just in a wee crease brush, and I'm just going to apply this just in the crease first off. I did use this palette for the first time not that long ago. It was actually for a Valentine's Day tutorial and it wasn't the best. I'm not going to deny that. Like, I absolutely love Colourpop. I love their products, but this palette just, I don't know, it just didn't really do anything for me. Instead of doing my usual packing and blending, I'm actually just placing the shadow on and just blending as I go. So I'm just blending it right round my eye socket in the crease, kind of using my eye shape as my guide. Like, it's pigmented and stuff, and it's a nice shade, but I don't know, it's just, I've just worked with better. I'm just going to go into that soft core shade, so I'm just going to take this on a small tapered blending brush. I'm just going to place that just at the top crease. Just grabbing that clean blender brush again. And I might take the tiniest wee smidgen of this bright pink. Clean brush again. As I was saying, this palette from Beauty Bay just has this wee candy floss pink shade just up in the corner, and it's just a nice wee shimmer. So I'm just going to take this just on a flat brush by Naked. No, it's not by Naked, it's by Urban Decay from the Naked 3 palette. I don't even own the Naked 3 palette, so I'm guessing I stole this off my sister. Oops. I'm just going to start by just packing this just on the lid. Not too sure how this is going to apply because I have set my lids. I don't actually know how it's going to stick, but okay, so I'm now just going to take the Anastasia palette, and I'm going to take the pink shade, which is Unicorn. Oh, that's so cute! I'm just going to pack this right up into the crease, then just a tiny bit of this colour. I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner just to draw a line just at my lash line, so it just hides my lash band whenever I put some lashes on. That's lashes on, and I just use Clio lashes, and these are in the style Sugar Daddy. So I might run a tiny wee bit of colour just on my lower lash line just to kind of tie it all together, because I'm not wanting to do anything too crazy. So I'm going to go into the Colourpop palette again. Just going to take this first shade that we took. No, this is the second shade. And I'm just going to run that along my lower lash line, just starting at the outer corner and blending in. And then I'm just going to put some mascara on my lower lashes, but just on the outer corner. So this is the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash Mascara. I usually like this for my lower lashes because, as you can tell, the wand is quite small, so you can be quite precise with it. Oh yes, we're starting to get somewhere now. Ooh yes. Okay, so I think that's me done for the eyes, so I'm just going to finish off the face. I'm not too sure whether to use that unicorn shade as my highlight. I think it's maybe a wee bit too pink. I think it's a wee bit too pink. So I do have the Abh Aurora glow palette, so I think I might find something a wee bit more subtle in this. Okay, so I might try Eclipse. Let's see what it's like. I'm just not really good whenever it comes to coloured highlights. Give me champagne, give me gold, give me a tiny bit of silver, but whenever it comes to like blue, green, purple, pink, I don't know, I just freak out a wee bit. I'm actually going to spritz my face with a bit of setting spray. I'm going to use the Morphe setting spray. And just continue living my best life. It just has the slightest shift of pink to it. The blush I'm going to use today is by Milani. So this is the Tea Rose powder blush, and this is the blush that has like the rose shape in it. I remember buying this, I'm not even joking, it must be about 5 years ago. This is obviously out of date, but I don't care, I'm not binning it. I bought this as a collector's item, as in I'm never going to use it, I'm never going to open it, because it was just really cute and different. But yeah, here we are, we're using it, and it's like 5 years later. I'm just going to mix that in with the highlight. I'm going to use the bronzer that I just used in yesterday's tutorial. Give me a minute again. Naj-oleari. So yeah, that's how it's pronounced there, if you actually want to know properly what it actually says. Highlighting, come back. Thank you. God. Yeah, I actually really like this bronzer. Bronzer is honestly the one product that I really have to tell myself, stop. Stop what you're doing now. I think I want to do a wee bit more to my eyes actually, so I'm just going to finish off the lips first. So I'm going to take the Revlon Colour Stay Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Rose Fard. I thought that said Rose Turd. Rose Turd. This is officially called Rose Turd. Rose Fard. I don't get that at all. Okay, so I'm just going to line my lips with this Rose Turd. Can't believe I'm not going to be doing a nude lip today. Like, who is she? So I'm just going to use a liquid lipstick from New Look actually, and this is their Super Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Nude Pink. So it's kind of a nude, but it's more pink, so I just kind of thought that this would just be nice for this makeup look. And for this being from New Look, it's actually quite a nice formula. It isn't really dry, and it doesn't really crack that much or anything. It's just really nice. So whenever this runs out, I'm honestly going to be so disappointed, because the colour of this liquid lipstick is honestly beautiful. If you don't like anything that's too nude or too pink, this is honestly just that perfect in-between shade. It's just the perfect nude lip really, with just like a hint of pink to it. Inner corner highlight, I thought we were done there. So I'm going to use the Dream palette. So I think I'm just going to go in with Unicorn as my inner corner highlight today. So I'll zoom these in so you can actually see how this applies. And please excuse my wee black hairs coming through. Yes. Oh, fuck me, pink. It looks as if I have something dodgy in my eye. It's a pile of veins. Ew. Does anybody else get really freaked out by veins? Like, see your veins here on like your throat and stuff, and like whenever like old people laugh and they're like it it's like gross. So, veins just really gross me out, and especially in like eyes and stuff. Sorry if they freak you out too. Okay guys, so this completes this makeup tutorial. So this is my monochromatic pink makeup tutorial. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm just absolutely loving how soft and effortless it kind of is, but it just is very pretty and pink and soft and just makes a statement. I just absolutely love it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Everything I use will be listed in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. They'll also be listed down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.